Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the email associated with your Shein account. So first of all, open up the Shein app. Now once you're in the shop, click on me at the bottom right corner right here. And in here click on the settings button at the top right corner. And in here click on manage my account. Go to email. And in here click on change. Type in the verification code that Shein will send you to your email. After you type in the code, they will give you an option to type in the new email, after which they will send another verification code to the new email. This time you will have to type that in, and after that click on submit, and the new email will now be associated with your Shein account. So that is how you can change the email associated with your Shein account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change email on your Shein account. So first of all, open up Shein. Now once you're in Shein, click on me at the bottom right corner right here. And in here, click on the settings button right here. And in here, click on manage my account. Click on email. And in here, click on change. A verification code would be sent to your already associated Gmail with Shein. Just type in that code here. And after you type in the code, you will be at this interface right here. In here, you will have to type in the new email, and then they will send another verification code that you will have to verify and type it in, and you can enable or disable getting promotions from Shein. And after that, click on submit, and the email would be changed. So that is how you can change the email associated with your Shein account.